everybody, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a texture pack, because most people download texture pack but they don't like it and it's not the way they want it. So I'm going to be teaching you how to create one, and you can, just make it as you like. So first thing what you want to do is you want to create a new folder. I'm just saying this works for Mac and Windows. So now you have to name it. You have to name the pack. So let's just call it test. Now you see that there's nothing because you still need to create the version of the pack you want. So I use 1.8.9 Hyperion, and you guys, it's a client, but it's created by Hypixel or Skier, whatever. But go to your Minecraft folder, and there are two ways you can do it. First is you have to go to your Minecraft launcher, go to launch options, and like if this menu doesn't pop up, it's because you have to not create, but you have to click this 3 lines. Click it and these will come up. You have to go to launch options and click on the version you're using, and now you have to go somewhere on this, and it's a game directory that you're interested in. So you want to click this arrow, go to folder. And if it doesn't work, don't worry, there is another way. It doesn't work for me. So this is for Mac. You have to go to, so you want to make sure that you're clicked off. You have to go up here and go to go. Now you have to press the Alt button, Alt. So Option Alt. And this library thing will come up. You have to click that. You have to go to Application Support. And then there's going to be a lot of stuff. Scroll down. Or you have to just find the Minecraft folder. You want to click on it. Now there's all this stuff, and you're like, oh my god, what do I do here? You want to go? So like you're gonna come here. You want to scroll down until you see versions. Click on that, and you see all of this. If you have a client, do not click. If, like, for example, I have Hyperion, do not click this. It won't work. You have to click on 1.8.9, and that's what I'm going to be creating it for. You want to click it, and there will be two things: 1.8.9 jar and 1.8.9 JSON. You're focused on jar. You want to right click and open with, and you need like WinRAR or something, but I have archive utility. You open it, and after it finishes expanding, you'll get this. Well, I already have it, so I can just delete it. You want to click on it, and now you'll see a lot of these .class files. You want to scroll down until you see assets. There you go, see? Assets. Now, you want to drag this to your test, or whatever you named your pack. And yeah, now this is just useless, so you can go back there, just delete it, because it's just a waste of space. But you got the main thing you want. So, assets. Now, this is where all the textures and block states are defined. So, but there is still one more thing, or two. The second one is optional. And this is the most important part, because you need to tell the computer that this is a texture pack. So, what you do is you have to go to a editing software, or not. So like you need editing software which you can export as PNG, and you need something like NotePad or TextEdit. So just get out TextEdit for Mac, and yeah, then you want to create a new document, and you'll see this. You have to go to Format and Make Plain Text. Now, there is a thing you have to do. You have to copy the specific text. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description to it. I'm just gonna go and copy it, and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, guys, I have copied it, and Command we, and boom. So you have this. Now, since I'm doing it for 1.8.9, the pack format should be 1. So basically, what the pack format is what version it is. It's basically telling the desktop or the computer the version that you're using. So for 1.8.9, it's 1. And above 1.9 is 2. And above 1.10 is 3. And right now, 1.13 is 4. So you need that. And now this is just the description of the pack. You can just name it whatever you want. And let's just call it test pack. Test pack. Now you have to make sure that these don't get auto corrected, the semicolons, because it won't work. Okay, now that you're done, you can just, you have to save it first. So you have to call it the specific thing, pack.mc meta. You have to call it this, and just, you don't need that. It won't work if you leave the tick on. That's it. Now just save it. Now it will just go away. So you have to click back, and you have to drag it out. But this will come up. You have to say move, or otherwise the texture pack won't work. So now you can just exit out of TextEdit. Okay, now you're out of TextEdit. You have to drag this into the pack or the test, which is for me. So now you have that. This is optional. If you want to add a picture, you can. So basically what you want to do is get any picture, and I'm going to use the logo. Well, let me just copy. And now once you get a logo, you can just, so I'm just going to paste it. Need a PNG exporting pixel editor software. So I'm going to use GIMP, and this is the best and the easiest way to do it. And I'm going to leave the GIMP download in the description as well. And how you edit something is pretty easy. You just have to go to Assets, go to Minecraft, go to Textures, not text, Textures. Now, I'll edit a, what shall I edit? How about I edit a diamond? Now, to use GIMP, you have to take the thing or whatever you're editing and drag it into GIMP. Now I can just cross out of that. Now it's just installing for me. And here you go. Now it will be so tiny. What you have to do is you have to click on the zoom tool. Now you have to click until it's a good size for you to edit. So that's good enough. Now you have to click on pencil tool. And let's make the diamond black. And what you have to do is make sure it's pencil and make sure that it's a pixel. And the size has to be 1, so that is just as big as a pixel. So let's just make this. I'm gonna speed it though. I'm gonna make a time lapse. I made the diamond, and now what you have to do is you have to click on File on the top and click Overwrite diamond.png. There you go. Now you can cross out of it. Discard changes, you don't need it. Now you have to go to the resource pack folder, and how you open it is you go to Minecraft, go to options, resource pack, and yeah guys, I am editing a pack. So yeah, you have to go here. It's okay, I'll just make one here, a new one. You have to go to open resource pack folder, and then it will get you to this. So let's just drag it in. You can cross out of it and it won't appear. So you have to click done, resource pack, and here it is. So remember the description? I put test pack. Okay, now let's go. And you guys, when I finished my texture pack, I'm gonna make it. So, okay. So all the diamonds won't be black, but here you go. Look. There you go. That's how you make that's how you make a texture pack. So, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Listen.